Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by force closing Snapchat and any heavy background apps to free memory. This often clears transient freezes. Once done, power cycle your device. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on to reset system resources and network stacks. Make sure you are on a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular connection because poor connectivity can mimic freezing. When you relaunch Snapchat, watch for immediate responsiveness. If it still hangs, keep the app closed while you prepare for the next deeper step. Next, clear Snapchat's cache from within the app settings to remove corrupt temporary files that cause freezing. At the same time, check for updates. Install the latest Snapchat build and update your device operating system because mismatched versions often create instability. Verify app permissions, camera, microphone, storage, so features don't freeze waiting for access. Once these are set, relaunch Snapchat. If it's still problematic, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace damaged binaries and reset app data, which we'll do carefully in the final step. Uninstall Snapchat completely, then reboot your device to clear lingering services. Reinstall only from the official App Store to ensure a clean copy, then log back in and test performance before restoring any old cache or backup data. Avoid immediately importing old app data. Test first to see if freezing recurs. If problems persist after a reinstall, perform device-level troubleshooting. Check for system storage under 10% or conflicting apps. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. That resolves deep system issues when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.